Hi, this is Project 4, Interaction. The first operation is proximity. So this object, the closer it is to the planet itself, the smaller the planet will become. And the further away, the larger the planet becomes. The second operation is position. So wherever the card is placed relative to the planet itself, it will switch between 8 different planets in a 2x4 grid. The third operation is rotation. So the farther it is rotated compared to the world forward, the faster the planet will rotate. The fourth operation is tracking. So this little dot is able to select continents on Earth. And when the book is no longer being tracked, it will trigger the label of the continent to appear. And when this is done again on a continent that is already labeled, the label will disappear.